What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be making a trade recap of my last week's performance trading the cryptocurrency markets on my funded accounts. And yeah, we're gonna go through each and every single trade. I'm gonna make this a series. This is gonna be episode one, aka trade recap number one, weekly recap number one out of how many ever comes out. Let us see. But let's go straight into the jizz. Um, so first trade, and actually I had another trade before this, but it's Monday and a week before, like this was Monday also. But basically, I took a short here, but I immediately closed it because I thought, you know what? I don't know. There's not enough confluence to make me believe that it would go down, and it's a Monday. I never trade Mondays and Fridays because it's usually like extra volatile. Markets just opened finally after the weekend, so it's just like a little bit a little bit too unpredictable. But if I did, yeah, I just knew it was gonna go down. It did go down. I didn't profit off that at all, which is amazing. But it's fine because we've got other things to focus on. I opened a few longs here for Bitcoin down here. Few longs. Where the goddamn thing at? I put a few longs in here, and my target was basically back to the psychological high. I saw this green vector candle forming in, and what this says to me is basically if you see a green vector candle happening at a resistance, it means that smart money is selling to dumb money. That means dumb money is saying, "Oh my God, it's pumping. I'm gonna buy." And that's when they buy, but that's when all the billionaires and trillionaires and quadrillionaires sell to all the brokies that want to just catch a fast move to the upside. So I sold there where all the billionaires did, but um 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 um, um yeah, I sold here. Let's see, for a little bit of a profit. You know, I was expecting it to reach there, but this one, as you can see, there you go. I bought down in this area, sold right up here, exactly when it was gonna dump. I saw it forming. I was like, you know what? It's not an intelligent idea. I'm gonna pull out. I'm weird, man. I'm sorry, guys. Um, and then this one was like a quick. I was gonna buy in, but like I just knew like Ethereum was just so shit and like so slow. I immediately pulled out. Yeah, basically immediately pulled out, and basically selling. Okay, I sold here, right? Here, another. This is where the losses started to come in. And you know what? I could have definitely done a little bit better. No, I could have done better, but it's just trial and error, you know, like everything in life. Philosopher Yoshe talking right here. So I shorted up here, exactly where it was starting to drop actually, down there. I think my stop loss was up there. It was a very good, like a very tight stop loss basically. But I didn't get the move that I was looking for. I was looking for them to sweep this area or like, yeah, to sweep that area basically. But it didn't come to fruition, so I got stopped out. And I took a little bit of a loss, not a big one. I think my wins took over the losses of that one. Yeah, mostly. And then yeah, and I kept adding also. And here's the thing about my strategy. Like if I lose, I won't lose as much, but if I win, I'm gonna win big because my stop loss is gonna be a certain amount. But then every time it goes in my direction, I'm just gonna keep adding, and yeah, until it reaches the take profit basically. But if it gets stop loss, it gets stop loss. Sorry, ladies and gents, back to business. Um, not business, trading. Um, I don't know what the heck this is. Hold on. Let me zoom out. Okay. Buy here. Ladies and gents, I'm gonna cry. So basically a loss, few losses on this one. And so I bought, where's that? Where's that thing? Okay, hold on. All right, it was here. So I took a loss on this one, we all know. Was looking for it to go down and it went up, hit the resistance and then dumped again. And then this one, nope, nope. Okay, wait, actually no, it is this one. This one right here, exactly there. My God, bruh. Look at this. Yet again, another stop loss hit. I was looking for it to reach the psychological high or close even. Like, I don't know, a 3% profit is insane, especially when my stop loss is at like, let's see what the stop loss is. Price closed was at 85855. 85855. 85855. 85855. What the fuck's wrong with this guy? Go one second. Hello? Yeah? Hello, hello. Okay. Well, back to the jizz. I'm sorry. 85855. Guys, this is a 6 to 1 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. I was risking what, $36? This one was 74. I could have gained 6 times that, all of that. So like literally one, and you know what? The reason why I did not make any profit is because I usually open the trade, I let it run throughout the day, and then I go to sleep and I usually close it the next day. And I usually am very consistent with this. And that is why in total, the past month I have been up on this account. But I'm gonna start maybe implementing half take profits because like this shit, I don't know. Sometimes I wake up and it is actually dropping, and I missed the move, and I got stop loss. So it's like, you know what? Maybe it might be a good idea for me to add half take profits or something like that. Because I missed the move there. Which one's this one? Yeah, just same movement basically. Okay, where is it? Guys, where is it? Guys. Okay, this one's a bigger stop loss. And you see, like I could have gotten the move, but I didn't. Not good. And that's the whole point about trading. I saw this fat move also, and then I did not take advantage of that also. So basically, to summarize this week, last week, first week of our trading journey, we came off with a loss of $100 on this account, and I'm basically copying all my trades into the other accounts. I have an extra, no, one more live account and two more trial accounts, challenges. And yeah, in total, we're in the green. And I know I do have confidence in my strategy. This was just like very recent. This is this week, but we're talking about last week's trade. So if you wanna stay updated, subscribe, hit subscribe, follow my journey, and let's get this shit. I'm gonna aim for $10,000 a month consistently at least. And I hope that I can reach that by week 100. So stay tuned, stay grateful.